Hello everyone, this is STM32F0 Discovery tutorial. We'll be using Seed Studio ultrasonic sensor with the board today. This sensor has 3 pins, signal, ground and power. We'll be configuring GPIO-C pin 6 for input and output mode accordingly to use with the sensor. Let's get started. First we need to set the timer for our system. For that we divide the system core clock by 1000 so that we'll have 1000 ticks in every second. After that we need to enable RCC for GPIO-C and timer 2. Timer 2 will be used to calculate or measure the time for the sensor. Then we need to configure timer 2 correctly to communicate with the sensor. We need to set prescaler value and period accordingly. Since we need to measure the signals in microseconds, we divide the system core clock by 1 million and we set the period to be greater than 50 milliseconds. Then we need to set and initialize GPIO-C pins for LED and sensor. We set GPIO-C pin 9 in output push-pull mode for LED and GPIO-C pin 6 in same mode for the sensor. Next, my friend will explain about the USART configuration and the remaining codes.
Now we have to initiate GPIO-B in alternate function mode for the input to the USART communication. And for USART IRQ handler, we have to enable it from NVIC. Now we start the infinite loop. We read the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. First we have to set the signal pin high for 10 microseconds. Then we set the pin to input mode and count how long it is high. We use timer to counter to get correct time in microsecond. Then we convert it to centimeter and return it. Now after that we check the distance. If it's less than 10 centimeter, we glow the LED high, and otherwise it's low. Besides that, we send the distance using USART communication, and we can check the distance in the terminal. In the terminal we have the baud rate of 115200 as in the program, and after connection with COM5 port we can see the variable reading of distance based upon how much distance we have put in the ultrasonic sensor.
Here you can see the hardware configuration for the ultrasonic sensor. The red pin is connected to 5-volt input. The yellow pin is for ground and the gray is signal pin connected to GPIO-C pin 6. We connect the USART transmission and receiving pins GPIO-B pin 6 and 7 to the communication module and connect it to the computer. As you can see, when the sensor reads value less than 10 centimeters, the GPIO-C pin 9 LED glows. That's it for now. Hope it helps.